Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Dear kids, today I am going to take your English class. So, dear students, please take out your English book, page number 30, chapter number 5. Dear students, in our previous class, I will taught you A vowel sound and E vowel sound. So, dear students, how many vowels in the English alphabets? Tell me. Yes, there are 5 vowels in English alphabets. So, dear students, today I will teach you I vowel sound. I vowel sound. So, dear students, look at here and repeat after me. I vowel sound. M-I-G make, T-I-N tin, T-H-I-N thin, H-I-T heat, B-I-N bean, B-I-B beep. I-G M-I-Z make, F-I-Z fig, W-I-Z wig, G-I-Z gig, B-I-Z big. I-B N-I-B nip, B-I-B beep, R-I-B reap, I-M D-I-M dim, H-I-M him, R-I-M rim, I-D K-I-D kid, L-I-D lead, D-I-D deed, B-I-D bead, I-X F-I-X fix, M-I-X mix, S-I-X six, I-T S-I-T seat, K-I-T kit, H-I-T heat, B-I-T beat, I-P D-I-P deep, L-I-P leap, N-I-P nip, I-N B-I-N bean, P-I-N pin, T-I-N tin, S-I-N sin, I-P S-I-P sip, T-I-P tip, Z-I-P jeep. So, dear students, please kindly learn the words. Thank you. Have a good day.